What are you doing, Ben? What was that?
I'm looking for the spray nozzle tip that went missing last night.
Well,
Approximately 700 hours.
Oh no. We lost it when we were just washing it, huh?
Yeah, just washing it, carefree washing. Thinking nothing's gonna happen. Bam, out of nowhere. It's gone.
What's that guy doing? Look.
That could be the culprit right there. I think we got a suspicious activity over there.
He just zoomed through the woods. It could have flew out the fence, Ben. Like right out through there. Yes, sir, he's going over the speed limit.
Suspiciousness. Oh my, the light is shining through. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are back on the shop build, and pretty much today's video is going to be a little bit of painting, and mostly we're going to be setting up our office. As you guys see in the previous video, we got all this painted out real nice, and the walls look way better now that there's no little white patches and the mismatching paint. And now what we need to do is pretty much just paint this bottom area. We're gonna go up here pretty much just like that. We have some gray paint, and we're gonna paint all this perfectly in. It's gonna be like a lighter gray, not too dark, but like pretty much perfect, so it won't really get too dirty. And that's all we're gonna have to do over here, and pretty much this entire area is ready to go. And we're not gonna be epoxying this floor. I was thinking about it, the floor is really unlevel, and to get this floor pretty level for epoxy is gonna cost a lot of money, and honestly it's just really not worth it. Like the walls painted are nice, just so like our toolbox is set up nicely, but the floor, it's in pretty good shape. We're gonna be working here, we're gonna be spilling oil, we're gonna be doing a lot of work, so honestly, I don't really care for doing that. But yeah, guys, it's just not really worth it to epoxy this floor, but in the office, we might actually epoxy the floor. It just depends on how much laminate we have. I kinda wanna like bring the laminate out as far as possible, but guys, check out how sick this area looks. It looks stunner in here. We even cleaned off the window a little bit with the razor blade, but man, it looks awesome in here. I mean, literally all we need is like one more LED light in the back, and it's just gonna give us the perfect office setting once we get all the floor down here. So let's go ahead and get this room over here maxed off, get that bottom layer of gray painted, and then we can start building the office. I don't in the shop, but dude, I just wanna get back to work.
Back on the cars, huh?
We got a Mustang to finish. We'll probably put the Mustang in that bay.
Your action, get back to the Mustang?
Dude, we're gonna build this Mustang sick. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a mean machine.
Are you sure this time?
Yeah, this time I'm sure, cause you know, third time's the charm. The first time was a pre-development. Second time was a afterthought, and then the third time is the actual product. I mean, you ask any company, ask Henry Ford. He probably made 100 Model Ts before he made a good one.
True.
You know, you can't ever stop.
Let's see. We gotta have a poll. Who in the comment section believes that you're gonna finish the Mustang?
Guys, comment a thumbs up if you think I'm gonna finish it, and a thumbs down if you think I won't. No, but honestly, like with my own shop, like we can just leave everything out, you know, have everything situated. Nobody's messing with your stuff. Nobody's doing anything. It's just like perfect. And with this office, have a nice desk in there, have everything set up, and just start designing, developing. I'm a computer wizard, I'll tell you that. Less talking, let's get to painting.
Well, what do you think, dude? How'd it turn out?
I mean, I got a lot of paint in my nostrils, but it looks good.
Man.
Oh, it honestly looks really good. I love the color that we picked. It's a pretty dark, so it's gonna be pretty hard to get it dirty. I mean, it might dry up a little bit, be a little bit lighter, but honestly, it looks good. It kind of breaks up all the color, you know, the white and the
completely changes the shop.
So there it is, guys. The entire shop is finally painted. It took quite the time to get here, but honestly, it looks freaking fabulous. I love the color that we decided to go with on the bottom, and it just turned out absolutely killer. And we did decide to go a little bit higher than what we initially wanted. I think we wanted like a little bit lower, but honestly, the 6-block idea is just perfect. We just taped it off. We were gonna do like a bunch of like tarp on top, but we decided to just put 3 pieces of tape and lower the PSI on the sprayer all the way down, and it turned out good. There's no overspray anywhere to be found, but man, it just looks awesome. I love the way it looks now, because they kind of like covered up all the outlets and stuff. And don't worry, guys, we will be replacing these outlets. We kind of just painted over them, and we turned the power off, but we're gonna be getting all brand new outlets, all brand new air nozzles right here, or air plugins, because these kind of leak. So we're gonna get all those replaced, get all the outlets replaced, and everything over here will be pretty much brand new. So now that we're pretty much done in the actual shop, we're gonna have to go ahead and get started on our office. And man, does it look good in here. Look at this beautiful place. It did dry up, so it's not like a glossy black, so you can't really tell, or it's not like too dark, but it looks awesome. Look at that. I think it even made the walls stronger. But man, check it out. It's beautiful in here. It's gonna be the perfect office. Now what we need to do is start working over here, getting the laminate down, because we are done in the main shop. Now let's get this office done. Guys, we did just paint over this window, because look how easy it comes off. And it's also cleaning the window behind it. It's taking every inch of residue that we had on there, because previous people who painted it also got paint on there. So we're just gonna scrape it all off. And it's gonna take like 5 minutes to paint it all off. And I kind of wanted to paint all this real nice, and I just didn't want to tape it, just waste of tape, honestly. Just one razor blade. Well, that's it. I'm not doing the second window or the third one, because I mean, we can open it.
We're gonna just put probably a little curtain over it anyway, huh?
Yeah. So now that we got the little peephole open right here, we're gonna go ahead and start throwing down some laminate. First thing we're gonna do is just probably give it a nice sweep so there's no little dirt or anything, and then we can go ahead and bring the laminate in here and start laying it down. We got this room nice and sweeped up, and now we have our laminate over here. I've actually never installed it before, so it might be a little tricky, but check this out. It's like a nice lighter color, so it's kind of gonna break up the black walls a little bit, and it's really cool. It's like a gray. Got a little bit of wood in there.
It already has some padding under it too.
Yeah, it does have the padding under there, so I don't think we need to add anything else. Just drop it right on top. And honestly, guys, there's not gonna be that much foot traffic here. So it's not like an actual house where there's gonna be people running around in here. It's simply gonna be 2 people just sitting there, so we won't have to like worry about anything else. And this stuff has 15-year warranty. So if I drop a wrench on it, they better warranty it. So I did watch a couple of videos, and I think I might know how to do this. So let's go ahead and start installing this stuff.
right here is just a nice little.
Nice little seal, glue it to the ground, real nice.
Yep.
And then over here we can just clean it and then just seal it up.
Oh yeah.
We'll just use some concrete paint. We're not gonna buy like epoxy because that stuff is just too pricey.
Yeah. And then from here, just nice little trim pieces around the whole thing.
Yep. Nice little trim piece, man. 2 offices, 2 futons, a little center table, TV right there, big screen, big screen TV.
Looks fresh. Boy's home now. Look at him.
Dude, this is freaking awesome. Check it out, guys. We got all the laminate nice and installed. And honestly, it was a little bit of a learning curve, but it's not too hard to install. We got it all set up over here. Now, all we need to do is buy some seals for the side. We just get a nice rubber seal. It was pretty cool that we didn't really have to cut much laminate. All we have to do is like make a slice just so the patterns are like different and stuff. But it lined up pretty good. So right now we're actually gonna head to the store, grab some seals for that, and maybe some furniture for this area. We are gonna have 2 desks right here, and then maybe like 2 couches right here. And I'm thinking like a nice little glass table with like, maybe make a table out of like an engine block or something sick right here. And then maybe like a TV just on the wall so we can like play music and stuff like that. But let's head to the store and grab some stuff.
How are you feeling? How you feeling after that little project we just did?
Pretty good. I'm just super hungry.
What you craving to eat, bruh?
I don't know. I use some Subway, honestly.
Subway?
It always goes hard. I'm telling you.
Is there anything else? Yo, they have those Jack in the Box over there.
Oh, let's try that out. I've never been there.
Let's go get some Jack in the Box.
Jack in the Box.
Which one are you gonna get?
I'm gonna grab this one right here. Imagine if they made burgers that big, honestly. That's a chicken sandwich. Dude, this might be better than Zaxby's.
Bro, what's your go-to drink?
Ice.
Huh?
I just chew ice. Nah, I'm probably gonna get some Sprite. I usually like to custom mix it.
Custom
Sprite. And
there you go.
that's it.
That's the Vtuned drink?
So, look how big these straws are. One gulp and the whole thing's down. Bam, look at that.
Shoot.
That's a feast for 10. I'm just kidding, but those fries are crispy. Alright guys, we're gonna eat this sandwich and then we're gonna head to Walmart and get some stuff. Drive.
We made it to Wally World, bro.
Walmart. Dude, Walmart is literally the best place in the world.
How come?
You can go from socks to eggs to TVs. Everything you want in one building. So we just made it to Walmart and we're gonna grab probably a futon, like it's like a couch, and maybe some other stuff for the shop.
Maybe like a rug or something?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we get. Be right back.
Oh, we got everything we need.
Oh shoot, what do we get?
Futon and some torch bits.
Hey, what's that on your back?
A nice rug.
Alright, let's see if we can get this thing loaded in the car though.
I don't know if it'll fit. Yeah, it will. Oh, along with the box.
Hey, would it? Well, it worked out.
Alright, so we got everything we needed for the office, and they didn't have the little rubber seal that we need, so we're actually gonna head over to Ace Hardware and see if they have it. They should have it. They're a hardware store. Guys, so we got everything we needed, and let's head back to the shop.
We gotta set up some nice cameras around here.
Yes, sir. We got all the hardware right here.
It's a rug right here. Here, take the rug.
That's pretty sick. Yeah, oh, right there, fine.
Whoa. They coming for you, Ben. They found out that VIN number on that McLaren ain't matching up. You're going to jail now, bud.
I mean, it's all on record what I did. Hey! Hey, this is pretty cool. Take a nap. Good night, everybody. So check it out, guys. We got the futon set up, and we also got this nice little rug right here. And honestly, it's a little comfy already in here. And that thing like folds down, so you can actually go to sleep on it. So if we have like a really late night here at the shop, we can just take a nap right there. Now what I want to do is go ahead and install this little thing right here. This is gonna be like the little transition from the concrete to here. And I did just look up, we are gonna paint this area right here with some concrete sealant. They have some black concrete sealant at Lowe's, and it's actually relatively cheap. It's like 30 bucks a gallon, so we'll probably get 2 gallons. Coat this area in right here real nice. And then, after we do all that, we can set up our desks, set everything up, maybe hang some cool art on the walls. Mini fridge right here. Always gotta have a mini fridge. So change of plan, guys. These our concrete screws are just not operating good, so we're actually gonna go take this back and get a rubber one that goes all the way across. We just got back from Ace Hardware and we got this rubber seal right here. And honestly, I think this is gonna work better than the other stuff. Dude, that's actually gonna look pretty good. All we need to do is glue it to the ground now. Glue it to there. It is perfect. So now all we need to do is glue this rubber seal in, and we got some liquid nails. This stuff is super strong and it says it bonds to most of everything. So let's go ahead and bond it on here. So the seal turned out pretty good. Check it out. It looks a lot better than the other thing we bought. And honestly, I'm just learning a lot of things. I've never actually worked on like a reno or anything, or actually in a house. And we also learned how to do laminate today. So that's pretty cool. But check it out, guys. The office is coming together. We got the little sofa right here. We got this nice, beautiful couch. And this place is pretty much almost done. The only thing we need to add is we're probably gonna get another sofa like that. A little coffee table in the center. And maybe a TV on the wall, just, you know, brighten the mood up in here a little bit, and set up our desks, and the office is ready to go. The main shop is pretty much, it's all done. We've got everything nice and painted, looks good. Only thing now is to start getting toolboxes in and start loading it up with tools, and we can start working on some cars. So guys, that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got the shop, it's ready to go. All we need to do is move a couple more things in, but all the remodeling is done on the shop. That's all we're gonna do. We're not gonna do nothing too crazy with the floors because we need to get some more content out, and I'm thinking about going and picking up the Mustang here soon. I know a lot of you guys are asking about the Mustang. Yes, we will be building the Mustang next year. We're finally gonna get that thing done. But if you guys enjoyed the shop remodel videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a like. Also follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Better than a paint booth? What are we gonna do with the paint booth? You can't select this as a paint booth.
It won't fit. Well, we have a situation on our hands.
Alright, we gotta just disassemble it real quick.
Oh my gosh.